that I'd look forward to. And if you are keen, then we can have Prem connect us and take the conversation forward quickly.
Sure, sir. We will do that.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Just the last question. Let's be mindful.
Yeah, good morning, sir. This is Srinivas from MLIT, Poultry Mon. We are incubated in T-Hub. And it has been a big help in establishing ourselves in the real-time remote monitoring system. Having done that, we need really help on this studying the bird behavioral pattern. That's our dream project in integration with the environmental parameter. So we need help in two things. One is on the infrastructure side, because it's really need a infrastructure, as well as help in penetrating into the market on the perspective. So we prove that we are the technology will take us not only within India, globally also it will be acceptable, and it will be very economical and price effective, in other words. Thank you, sir.
I presume you're talking about, Srini, the poultry industry?
We are in poultry Mon.
Right. So poultry, you know that Hyderabad and Telangana is the poultry capital of India.
Yes, very encouraging in these two major states. Yes, so that is how we picked up in these two states as a poultry.
So what we could do is, we have a honorable member of parliament who belongs to my party. He in fact runs one of the largest hatcheries in India. It's called SR Hatcheries. I can introduce you to him. वहाँ जाके काम करो. Once there is an opportunity for you to actually do something good, I'm sure he will introduce, because I think he's also the president of the Poultry Association. So you can work with them. I think it's a B2B kind of an engagement. Government can do the role of an enabler. I will not promise you more than that, but I can get you the intro. I think it's the merit of your product from there on.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. That'll be all. And thank you so much.